I just want to know what it is. I don't know what it is. I want to know what it is. If you're new to my channel, my name is Ohemaa. Welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, hey. You may not know this, but Rare Beauty, yes, the Rare Beauty brand by Selena Gomez launched a new collection. So in today's video, we are going to be taking a look at the brand new Rare Beauty Positive Light collection. All the products I'm using is tagged in this video, so you can click right here and it will pull up a list for you. YouTube has actually done the comparison across all the websites. All you have to do is just scroll through and see which website has the best price for you. We have the concealer, we have a lip product, we have the brush, and we also have the viral highlighters that have literally been wreaking havoc on the internet. Okay, so if you want to see what the Rare Beauty Positive Light products look like on dark skin, especially those highlighters, if you want to see whether or not it makes us look as tantalizing as I am thinking it is going to make us look, then keep on watching. So we were lucky enough to have Rare Beauty send us the PR. There's a pair of earrings in here, and it took my mom to tell me that it's Obi Ohemaa Bonsu. They look very nice, so thank you so much, Rare Beauty. Shine your brightest with the new Positive Light collection. So they have the Positive Light Silky Touch highlighter. It retails for $25, and it says instant glass light sheen for an easy, natural looking glow that lasts. Is she talking about this glow that I got going on? It's talc-free, won't settle in fine lines or accentuate skin texture. We love to see it. I sometimes shy away from highlighters because if it's not very finely milled, it just clings onto the texture on my face and it looks so bad that I just try to stay away from it. So these are the highlighters swatched on my hand. So from the top, we have Mesmerize, Exhilarate, Flaunt, and Enlighten. This is what it looks like. There's a Positive Light Under Eye Brightener that retails for $24, and it says a fresh, radiant look in a flash. Sheer, flexible coverage. No makeup essential. Wear alone or layer over concealer for extra brightening effects. I'm interested in this product. I want to know what exactly it looks like. I want to know what it feels like just on the bare skin. I thought it was concealer. The Positive Light Precision Highlighter Brush that retails for $18. Last but not least is the Lip Souffle Matte Lip Cream that retails for $20. I have one of the shades and I have the shade Elevate. I have the shade Elevate. I don't know how to say it in American English. Elevate. It doesn't sound right when I say elevate. Elevate. I did swatch the under eye brightener. I just don't know what it is. So I'm gonna start out with the brightener. This is the shade Deep, and I'm gonna put it on one side of my face. I just want to know what it is. Before I go in with any primers, I want to try this so we can see what it does. There's not an actual spoolie on this. It's a metal ball. And I bet it feels very cooling on the skin. Every time I've seen this online, I thought it was a concealer. I'm just gonna blend it in with my finger. I didn't think it had any coverage in it. I thought it was more. I didn't think that it would have any sort of coverage in it whatsoever. I really thought this product was going to be a fail, but it has actually covered this groove that I have on my under eyes. You can't see very well on my right side, but you can clearly see that groove on the left side, and it looks very, very subtle. It looks very skin-like. It doesn't look any different from my natural skin tone, but it's actually doing something. Like, let me know if you see a difference, because I definitely see it. It looks really good, and it does not look like I have anything on my skin. I thought it was concealer, but I'm really glad it's not concealer. On bare skin, I am shook. I don't know what it's gonna do on top of concealer, so I want to try it on top of concealer so I can see if there's a difference. I might not see any difference, but I'm gonna try it. So I'm gonna go ahead and prime my skin with both the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream and the e.l.f. Cosmetics Power Grip with 4% niacinamide. Then I'm gonna go ahead and apply some powder foundation on my face. I'm gonna go in with a Sephora Collection Best Skin Ever in the shade 65, and then I'm gonna put the shade 59 over it to blend it to get this beautifully perfect concealer blend blend. It is flawless, okay? I want to go ahead and try the under eye brightener in the shade Deep. I'm going to try it on my right side. I just want to see if it's actually going to look any different. So I'm going to apply a generous amount. You actually can't take too much of this product out of the tube because of the tip of this. It doesn't pick up a lot of product, so it's going to force you to not overuse the product. I'm going to blend it with the clean side of a sponge. I don't know what it does. I really wish this was a product that you didn't have to set with powder, to where when you put it on top of your concealer, it sets the concealer in place of a powder. Now that I've said it, somebody is going to create it. And when you do, please send me a check in the mail. Thank you. I haven't even seen what my under eyes are looking like. What do you guys see? Do you see a difference? I see a slight difference in what my under eye looks like. I see a slight difference in what my under eyes look like. I feel like my right side is looking a lot brighter than the left side, but as far as glowiness, they both look glowy because I used a concealer that was more on the glowy side, so they both look equally glowy. However, like, this side of my face looks a little bit brighter than the other side. I don't see like a significantly noticeable difference. I definitely prefer to use it on bare skin because I see more of that covering my dark circles situation, where I see more of that benefit, so it can give me that no makeup look. I'm out of the door, but I still look put together kind of look. So this is my recommendation for the under eye brightener. If there's a concealer that you absolutely love, but you find that it's a little too drying for your under eyes, I would apply that concealer, blend it in, and then go in with the under eye brightener, blend that over that concealer. And what you're gonna find is the under eye brightener is going to hydrate that concealer a lot more, and your under eyes are not going to feel too dry. Try it that way and let me know what you think. Time has come to try the highlighter. I really don't know which shade to use because I don't know what it's going to look like. Like, based on the swatches alone, it really didn't help me decide on which shades to use. I'm going to use the shade Flaunt today, so I'm just going to tap into it. I'm barely touching my skin with, wow, okay. It is very reflective, okay? It looks really, really nice. It also comes out of the pan very easily, so be careful how much you're putting on. Oh my God, I definitely overdid it. I put this on first before I set my face because I'm hoping that once I set it, it will help it melt better. I'm literally putting this highlighter all over my face. It is very pretty, very smooth, and it's also very easy for you to overdo it. Yeah. My whole face is one giant donut at this point. If you feel like you use too much highlighter, just go back into your setting powder and brush over it. That will decrease the amount of shine. The last product to try is this matte lipstick. This is the shade Elevate, and Elevate, from what I saw when I swatched it on the back of my hand, is very pale. With there being only 3 shades, it would have been very nice to see one shade that would have worked beautifully on dark skin so that you can use it with makeup and without makeup. The way this one is looking, it's looking like I can use it with makeup. I don't mind it. I could probably pull it off when I'm feeling daring, but I know a lot of you will really want to line this. So I went ahead and put a little bit of the Sephora Collection Rouge Gel Lip Liner in the shade Molasses. I put some of that around my lips because sometimes the way I would wear something is not the way you would wear it. This is it for me trying out the Rare Beauty Positive Light collection. One product that really surprised me is that under eye brightener. I thought it was concealer. Is that under eye brightener. I really absolutely love it by itself on bare skin because it gives you that awake look without doing too much. You can blend it with your fingers, set it with a little bit of powder, and be on your way. Thank you so much for watching. Love you lots, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.